Class 10 English, Unit 9, Reading 1. Pratap Malla. Hard word meaning. Regent. A person who rules a country for the time being on behalf of a king or a queen. राजा वा रानीको सट्टामा अस्थायी रूपमा शासन गर्ने व्यक्ति. Reigned. Ruled as a king or queen. शासन राज्य गर्यो. Aligned. Brought into agreement or harmony. मिलाइयो, एकै दिशामा राख्यो. Renovated. Repair and improved an old building or place. मर्मत गरी नयाँ जस्तो बनाइयो, पुनर्निर्माण गरियो. Pinnacle, the highest point. सर्वोच्च बिन्दु, गजुर. Warding off. Preventing or protecting against something harmful. टार्नु, बचाउनु, रोक्नु. Replica. An exact copy of something. हुबहुब नक्कल. Vastly learned. Having a great amount of knowledge. Highly educated. अत्यन्त विद्वान, धेरै ज्ञान भएको. Conferred. Officially give an honor, degree, title or award. प्रदान गरियो, सम्मान वा उपाधि दिइयो. Patronized. Supported or encouraged, especially artists, scholars or institutions, by giving money or protection. संरक्षण गर्यो, आर्थिक वा अन्य सहयोग गर्यो. Hailed. Praised or welcomed enthusiastically. प्रशंसा गरियो, स्वागत गरियो, सम्मान गरियो. Invade. To enter a country by force in order to conquer it. आक्रमण गर्नु, बलपूर्वक प्रवेश गर्नु. Complete the following sentences with the correct words from the text. Queen Rajya Lakshmi ruled the country as a regent because her son Rana Bahadur Saha was too young. Many buildings were renovated as they were destroyed by the earthquake. Many temples had their pinnacles made of gold. As the original trophy was stolen, they made the exact replica of it. Madhav Prasad Ghimire was conferred the title Rashtrakavi in 2003. The government patronized Chamak Kumari Ghimire for her contribution to Nepali literature. The British soldiers tried to invade Nepal, but the brave Nepali people chased them away. Choose the best alternatives. Why did Pratap Malla keep his father in jail? Pratap Malla's father was insane. What made Kantipur a strong state during Pratap Malla's reign? Pratap Malla's diplomacy. Which of the following was not renovated by Pratap Malla? Temple of Buddha Nilkantha. According to the text, which of the following did not happen during the Pratap Malla's reign? Invasion of Kantipur. Answer these questions. Name two countries that had trade with Kantipur. The name of two countries that had trade with Kantipur are India and China. How did Pratap Malla keep his kingdom safe from Lalitpur and Bhaktapur? Pratap Malla kept his kingdom safe from Lalitpur and Bhaktapur by using his clever tricks. He made Lalitpur and Bhaktapur fight with each other so that they could not unite against him. Where did Pratap Malla place the image of Lord Hanuman and why? Pratap Malla placed the image of Lord Hanuman by the side of palace gate to ward off the evils. Pratap Malla conferred himself with the title Kavindra. Do you think this title suits him? Give reasons. Pratap Malla conferred himself with the title Kavindra, meaning the king of poets. And the title really suited him because he was an excellent poet who could write in several languages, including Sanskrit, Nepal Bhasha, Nepali, Bengali, and Hindi. Pratap Malla used to invite the intellectuals at his palace. What does this indicate about his personality as a king? Pratap Malla often invited intellectuals to his palace. This shows that he was a wise king who valued knowledge and learning. He respected new ideas and encouraged art, literature, and culture to flourish in his kingdom. Writing 1. Study the events below. These are the major events that happened in the history of Nepal from 2017 BS to 2046 BS. Write a couple of paragraphs about Nepal's journey from panchayat to multi-party democracy system. प्याराग्राफ राइटिङको भिडियोजहरू च्यानलमा छ. त्यहाँ स्टेप बाई स्टेप कसरी प्याराग्राफहरू लेख्ने र कस्तो टाइपको प्याराग्राफमा कसरी लेख्ने भन्ने कुरा सिकाइएको छ. च्यानलमा गएर तपाईँ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Nepal's journey from panchayat to multi-party democracy. Nepal's journey from panchayat system to multi-party democracy was a long and challenging one. On 1st post 2017 BS, King Mahendra dismissed the elected government, suspended parliament, imprisoned the prime minister and ministers, banned all political parties and activities, and took all political powers into his hand. On 22nd post 2017 BS, he introduced the partyless panchayat system. Later, on 10th Jan 2036 BS, a referendum was announced, and the referendum election was held on 20th Baisakh 2037 BS. However, political dissatisfaction continued, and on 10th Jan 2042 BS, a non-violent civil disobedience movement was launched. The struggle for democracy became stronger with time. On 7th Phagun 2046 BS, the mass movement formally began with the participation of people and political forces demanding democracy. The movement continued to put pressure on the panchayat system and the monarchy. Finally, on 26th Chaitra 2046 BS, the multi-party system was restored. Thus, Nepal moved from partyless panchayat system towards multi-party democracy through years of political struggle, public movements, and the people's demand for democratic rights. Writing to opinion paragraph writing हो. यसलाई opinion essay writing पनि भन्न सकिन्छ और argumentative essay writing पनि भन्न सकिन्छ. यसको भिडियो च्यानलमा पब्लिश भइसकेको छ. च्यानलमा गएर ओपिनियन प्याराग्राफ और ओपिनियन राइटिङ स्टेप बाइ स्टेप कसरी लेख्ने भनेर यहाँनिर हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. राइटिङ 2 को एन्सर्स तपाईले यही भेट्न सक्नुहुन्छ.